Interviewer asks, how do you make sure a config file is ready before your app starts in Kubernetes? The answer is Init Containers. This is part 4 of Kubernetes series. Imagine your app needs a config file before it starts. If the app starts too early and the config file is not there, the app will crash. This is exactly the problem Init Container will solve. Think of Init Container like a pre-flight checklist for a pilot. Before the plane takes off, the pilot runs all the checks, and once all the checks pass, then only the plane will move. Init Containers work the same way. They run first, complete their job, and only then does your main app start. Init container runs before your main containers run, and they have to run to completion. If an init container fails, Kubernetes keep restarting it until it succeeds. Only when all the init containers have completed successfully, then only your main container will start. Let me show you init container pod.yml file. This code has already been pushed to GitHub, and you can get all the links from the YouTube post. Please make sure you check. Look carefully. Look at the init container section. It is separated from the container section, right? Init container name is init downloader, and it uses an image busybox. And it runs a wget command to download a config file and save at this location. Concentrate. Notice the volume mount section. Both the init container and the main container use the same volume, which is config vol. This is how init container passes the downloaded file to the main app. This is your main container, which is Nginx container, and it will only start once the init container has finished downloaded the config file. The file is already there waiting for it on the shared volume. Now let's apply this file and see it live. We are applying the file and see the event live. Watch it very carefully. Init container running. Init is done, main app starting. Main app is live. We are seeing here one by one because init container has already run, completed his job and disappeared. So now it's main container which is running. That's all. YouTube community post has all the code details. Go check it out. YouTube link is in bio. Thanks. Follow for more.